in Islam, can we go to the graveyards and put flowers? Some people take perfume. MashaAllah. Why don't you bring deodorant as well? Maybe it's good. What are you doing? I said, no, flower is good. Because the Prophet ﷺ, when he saw two graves, he put two ripe leaves and branches that were green. And he said, Allah may forgive them until they're green. When they dry, khalas. He says, okay, so why are you putting flowers and a bouquet of flowers that cost hundreds of ringgits? This is disbelievers' tradition, not our Muslim tradition. Besides, when the Prophet put these leaves or these branches, how many times did he do it in his life? Once. And Allah told him that he will ease the punishment for the people in the grave. Do you know that Allah will ease the punishment with the flowers? No. Do you know that Allah is punishing the person in the grave, your father or your mother? No, I didn't know, but it wouldn't hurt. No, it will hurt. This is not from the Sunnah. None of the companions ever done this. None of the tabi'een ever done this. Even the Prophet did it once only in his life, alayhi salatu wasalam. So do you know more